everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyando. For those who are new, karibuni sana 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 sana. So today I'm going to do a shoe haul. A disclaimer, just a disclaimer, this is not the first time I'm doing this video. I've done this video like twice last year because I bought these shoes last year uko katikati, and then something went wrong, and then I also did this at the beginning of this year, and then the audio was just off, so I decided to redo this video, and I'm super glad because I'm redoing this video in another way. Basically what I'm going to be doing, I just did the shoe haul, and then I'm going to show you over here how I styled each pair of shoes. I just have 3 pairs and I bought from the same place. Yeah, so basically let's just start the video. So basically all the shoes were bought from Lavidoz store, the one in Kyando, the new one, when she was launching the new store. So I went there, and if you haven't watched the vlog, I'm gonna link it up here so that you can go watch it. But basically I went there, I bought 3 pairs of shoes for support, but I also needed a pair of shoes. Yeah, so this is how it comes in. She gives you such a bag, such a beautiful white bag, classy, yeah, like this. Now I want to describe to you what Lavidoz store is. Lavidoz store is a shop that give you an experience, and I think that's her motto in her shops, that she gives you an experience when you are shopping. Like, it's so totally different from other shops. It's not just like a place where you just get in, buy your things and get out. It's a place where you can it's very artistic, my personal opinion, and I love it, and I love the services, and the good thing is it's guys who are servicing you. So kwa wale watu ambao wanadhania wanawake wanakoga na, yeah, we know that. So basically it's the men who try shoes on you, and they're basically the people who are there. So basically that's what I wanted to put it out there. And then another thing is the shoes are quite affordable, very affordable. Personally, I think I bought all these shoes for 45,000, if I'm not wrong. That is the most that I bought. I can't remember really well the amount of pricing because, like I said, I bought these shoes last year, so I can't really remember, but I think it was 45,000 each. And another thing that I want to put out there about Lavidoz store is that she buys shoes, or rather she brings in shoes from different brands that are affordable to us. That's what I wanted to put it out there, to my understanding. Yeah, so, and if you want to watch another this is my second time that I'm buying from her, and if you want to watch another shoe haul, I have one which I'm going to put the link also up here. Yeah, now we are going to go to the first shoe, and I'm super glad that this time I got Mules. I got 2 pairs of Mules, a white one which I'm going to show you. Let me show you. So I got these white Mules. Basically Mules are those shoes, either flat or heels or blocked, that don't have like a back. Those are called Mules. So I got these 2 pairs, this pair of Mules, white, and the only bad thing about this shoe is the coating that has on this. It's leather like, but it's not that leather like. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So it really chips off, and I know this material because I have experience with such kind of material. It chips off, and I knew this before I bought the shoe, but aesthetics yeah, because personally, let me tell you the truth, I'm not really comfortable with these shoes, so basically I use it for content. Yeah, so I've never gone out with such shoes. If I have to, it means that I'll just have to go somewhere where I'll have to sit down most of the time. Yeah, not standing. So basically this is the shoes. For other people, apparently this is very, very comfortable, so to each their own. Yeah, so these are from the brand Cupid, and yeah, so basically that's that. And this is number size US 7, UK 5, Europe 38, and I think they're a little bit bigger than me. That's why I think I'm uncomfortable, but they were the only pair there that day, so I had to just take them because yeah, so I love these shoes. And basically how I styled them, you can style these shoes with all black and then wear these shoes, or a checkered black trouser with a black top, and then these shoes. Yeah, and also you can wear jeans with a blazer and then wear these shoes. Basically, because they are white, they will go with any kind, but if you want them to pop, all black will make them pop. And basically when I say that you can make them pop, also when you can also wear these shoes with a monochromatic that matches this. Yeah, so you can wear all white and these shoes, they'll still pop, because guys, these shoes are so beautiful. I wish I was very comfortable in them. I would be wearing them everywhere. Yeah, so I also got this beautiful Mules. I remember there was someone else who was, that's Jojo had, is it Jojo or Juju, something like that. Yeah, she saw this first. Imagine I came there first, but I didn't see them, but she saw them and I convinced her to let them go, and I love the shoes. Love them. They are not quite comfortable, but you can really wear them. Personally, that's my opinion. Yeah, but you can really wear them, and they are from the brand Cadell, and the shoe size is 36. I think that's why I'm a bit comfortable with this. And they are gold, really gold, as you can see here. And basically how I will style them is, because they're gold, they are shouty, sort of, in a good way, and so I would wear them for going out. Like, I remember I did a Valentine video where I wore my dress, my one arm pretty little thin dress, and with these shoes. I also have ever worn with my yellow mustard, what is it called, bodycon dress that was backless with these shoes, and it was yeah, basically you can wear this for church, you can go out with them, but I don't know about casual. For me, I feel like because they're sparkly, casual wouldn't itaifanya hivi viatu vionekane kama viko chini sana, but they're really good shoes. Now on the last pair of shoes, I want my videos to be like a little bit shorter, especially sit down videos. Yeah, so the last pairs are these blocked heels. My god, it has been a while since I wanted black blocked heels. If you remember, I have brown blocked heels and I've been wearing them like I have no other shoe, but this time I got some black blocked heels that I love so much. They're a little bit bigger than me because they're size 37. I'm a size 36, but because of these handles here, they hold me perfectly. You can wear these shoes with practically anything, and I mean anything, like a flowy dress, an A-line dress, a skater dress, a mini skirt, or a jeans, skinny jeans, mom jeans, whatever. But these shoes can go with anything. That's what I mean. And so, and basically because they're black, they'll go with any color. They'll go with, you can go for any occasion with this. I love this. The material makes it more durable. I feel like these are the most durable shoes that I got this time. Yeah, and apparently Lavidoz shoes are all durable. I still have the shoes that I bought last year but one to today, and I still love them. Yeah, so I feel like these still are the most durable, and they're from the brand Cupid, just like the white Mules. Yeah, and oh my god, I love these shoes, really do. And they're very high, but because of this platform over here, it makes it very comfortable. So until next time guys, I hope you love this video. If you have any comment on any type of shoe, please, or Lavidoz store, please don't hesitate to do so in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and share this video to people who you think might love such kind of content. And if you want a tutorial on this hair, I did one for Instagram, and I'm going to put the link in the description box below. Please follow me on Instagram because I have some other videos that I normally put there that I don't put them here. Yeah, so until next time guys, ciao.